Hey, what's going on? So, check this out. At the shop, we're building a motor for the 74 Nova. And there it is. Check it out. It's pretty sweet. But sitting over in the corner for about a year, I have had a 327 just sitting dormant. And for shits and giggles of all purposes, I decided to fire it up. So here it is, man. Whatever. Anyway, so yeah, that is no more dormant. How cool would that be to put in the 67 wagon? I mean, I'm telling you, that with my 350 turbo transmission I have built, I think it'd be pretty cool. All right, enough noise. I got to get back to work. See ya.